In this video, you will learn how to connect Spectrum cable box to TV. First, screw in the coax cable. Connect the coax cable from your wall outlet to the cable in port on the back of your Spectrum cable box. Make sure it's tightened securely so you get a clean signal. Then, you need to plug in the HDMI cable. Take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI out port on your Spectrum box. Plug the other end into any open HDMI port on your TV, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. After that, power everything on. Plug in both your TV and the Spectrum box, then turn them on using their remotes or the power buttons. Next, grab your TV remote and select the input. Press the input or source button on your TV remote and choose the HDMI port you used earlier. You should now see the Spectrum welcome or setup screen. Now activate your Spectrum box. To do that on your phone or computer, go to spectrum.net/activate and follow the instructions to finish setup. This usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, pair your Spectrum remote. If you want your Spectrum remote to control your TV's volume and power, follow the pairing instructions on screen. That's it. Your Spectrum cable box is now connected and ready to use.